In this video, I'll be showing you how to cut music in CapCut. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to do, I'm on CapCut right now, so just open up whatever project you want. Now, all you got to do is go ahead and press the audio tab, and then we'll just go over to sound, and then I'm just going to go ahead and select, any sound. I'm just going to go ahead and select this one right here. Now I have this sound on my project. But let's say I don't want the start of it or something. What I got to do is click on it, and then I can obviously move this slider so it starts on a different point. But let's say I want to cut at a very specific place. So all I got to go ahead and do is once I have it in position, let me find the exact cut I want. So let's say it's exactly this. This is where I want it to start instead. What I got to do now is press, highlight it, and then I'm going to press the split icon on the bottom left. Go ahead and press that, and as you can see, the start is now, taken away. So now all I got to do is press delete if I want to, then I can have it start here and I can move this to the start. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.